Hey students, welcome to computer class. In this class, we are going to start our fourth chapter, Mail Merge in MS Word 2007. Learning objectives, what is mail merge, components of mail merge, steps for mail merge. Let us discuss one by one.
Mairi, tomorrow is my birthday, but I forgot to invite few of my friends. Now what should I do? Dear, why are you getting worried? Use Mail Merge feature to send invitations to many friends. Let's explain it in easy steps.
So, what is mail merge? In simple words, it is a way of placing content from the spreadsheet, database or tables into Microsoft Word document. Mail merge is ideal for creating personalized forms, letters or labels. Instead of editing the original letter several times to the different personalized informations. Instead of typing the letter again and again for sending the multiple peoples, we directly write one letter and we can send it to the multiple peoples. As you can imagine, this can save a lot of time as well as worry about not changing all the informations for a new recipients. In order to create a mail merge, two documents are needed. First one is a Word document and a file with data or records. This file can take many forms such as Excel spreadsheet, a database or even another Word document that has a table in it. Mail merge can also be used to create a following. Mail merge essentially merges a main document which has common information for all the letters with a data source, which is the set of names and addresses of the person. Some of the components of a mail merge. Mail merge has three main components. First one is main document. The main document is the document containing the information which is to be opened for all the letters. It could have text, graphics or other elements. Next one is the data source. The data source that stores the data which is different for all the letters. This data could be names, addresses, telephone number, email address, birthday, etc. It is different for different persons. Third one is the merged document. These are the letters obtained after merging the main document with the data source. Steps for the mail merge. There are mainly 7 steps to perform the mail merge. The main steps to perform the mail merge are starting mail merge, creating the structure of data source and enter the data, creating a main document, inserting the merge fields in a document, previewing the merged documents, merging the documents with the data. Last one is printing the merged document or save them for further use. Starting mail merge. Steps for mail merge. Starting mail merge. First, open a blank document in the Word. Select the mailing tab. Click the bottom part of the Start Mail Merge icon and then go to the step-by-step mail merge wizard, and the wizard will open a right side of your screen. A mail merge task pane will appear on the right side of the MS Word application. Now choose the label in the select document type. Select the document type as letter. Down at the bottom, notice that we are on the step 1 of step 6. Next, click on next starting document. When you click on the starting document, select there use the current document. Click on use the current document. After that, next click on the select recipient. To merge information into your document, you must connect the document to the data source or data files. There, choose the type a new list option and click create. Then a new address list dialog box will appear. This is where you have to type the information for the information of the recipients. Next, customizing the data source. To do this, click the Customize Column button. The Customize Address List dialog box will appear. Use Add, Delete, Rename button to modify the columns. Create the address list as given. After creating the field, add records in a new address list dialog box. Here I will delete unwanted address list here. Only I will keep the name, address and their city and their phone number, email address. Now after creating the fields, add records into new address list dialog box. I'll give the roll number. I'll write the first name of the recipient and the last name and their address, city, home, phone number and email address. Click New Entry and type the information for the next records. Continue until you have to type the information for all the records that you want to include. When your new list is complete, click OK. The Save Address List dialog box will appear. Then save the document there and click Save option. To change the recipient list, click on Edit button. You can sort, you can filter. After the editing is complete, click on OK. After that, click on Write your letter. Here, I have already written the letter. It's an invitation letter for the parents for school function. Next, inserting the merged field in the document. Click on the Insert Merge Field icon in a Mailing tab. Then click the field you want to insert. Here all the field will visible. Click the field you want to insert. The field name will be inserted in a document. First I will insert the first name and next their address and next their contact information, and in front of the dear parents I'll give their name. First name, space and last name. After that, previewing the merged document. Click on Preview Your Letter option. At the bottom of Mail Wizard, from here you can preview records. Whatever you have added previously, like the names of their parents, their address, their phone number will be visible here. Next, after previewing the record, select Complete the Merge option. Merging the documents with the data. Click the Edit Individual Letter under the Merge heading. A Merge to New Document window appears. Select All and click OK. After that, printing the merged document. Click on the print option to take the print of the document. This is all about mail merge in Windows 7 2007.